So hello mga kabeshi, for tonight, I will be making my favorite cassava cake. So, here are the ingredients. Freshly grated cassava, coconut milk, eaten cheese, Nestle condensed milk, sugar, 2 eggs, and melted butter. So, we are going to put coconut milk now sa ating freshly grated cassava. So we'll put, I think, almost lahat ng laman ng can, but magtitira tayo ng konti para sa ating toppings mamaya. So I think 3/4 of the can ang nilagay natin, and then nagtira tayo ng 1/4 para sa ating toppings. And now, after natin malagay yung coconut milk, and we will put our Nestle condensed milk. Nestle, back in naman. And yes, we will put also 3/4 of the can sa ating recipe, and then the rest later ay ilalagay natin sa ating toppings together with the coconut milk. So, tapos na siya. Ayan, there's the coconut milk and the sweet condensed na mix na po natin siya sa freshly grated cassava. And now we're going to add the white sugar. This is 1/2 cup of white sugar. So it's very simple lang mga kabeshi. All you need to do is mix the ingredients, all the ingredients, and then halu-haluin lang natin sila para ready na siyang i-bake later. Okay? And now we're going to add our, what is this? It's butter.
Yeah, butter to make our
Yes.
secret ingredients.
Butter. The butter adds, you know,
Yeah.
texture to our cassava, and ito yung isa sa nagpapasarap ng ating cassava cake.
Yeah.
And now, after the butter, ay idadagdag na natin ang ating 2 pieces egg. Yoo-hoo! That's the egg. And then, we will mix it.
Yeah, what's
Yes.
Mr. B?
And lastly, ay kailangan nating dagdagan ng cheese. So, I use added cheese. Added cheese, baka naman. Dadagdag natin to. Kung gusto nyo, if you want your cassava to be cheesier, ang cheesy, diba? So, we'll put it in the mix now. Yan. Sarap. See, it's very easy. You just need to mix all of the ingredients para ready to bake na siya. Yes. So, i-mix lang nating mabuti lahat ng ingredients para pantay-pantay ang lasa pag ito ay i-bake na natin. Look at that. It's so creamy. And tingnan nyo yung consistency ng ating cassava. Ganyan dapat. Hindi siya sobrang labnaw. Hindi rin siya sobrang parang lapot. So, yan ang hinahanap natin. So, we are now going to put it here sa ating aluminum, what you call this one? Basta. So, ilalagay na natin, hati-hatiin natin. Huwag sobrang full. Kasi later on, ay magdadagdag pa tayo ng toppings. So, 3 yung ginawa ko kasi I'll be bringing some sa office para makatikim sila. Yes. So, exactly same ano lang siya. Same. Basta equal lang siya ng pantay-pantay lang siya. Ready to bake. Ready to bake. Before I forget mga kabeshi, kailangan natin i-cover siya ng aluminum foil bago natin i-bake. So, ayan. Very, very light lang naman ang cover. So mga kabeshi, bago natin ilagay ang ating cassava, ay preheat ko muna ang ating oven for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. So, ayun, kailangan siya bago natin ilagay. And ayan mga kabeshi, pinasa ko na sa oven and we will set this to 45 minutes. Yes, 45 minutes. So ito, gagawin na tayo ng toppings ngayon ng cassava. So meron tayong tira na 1/4 ng lata ng coconut milk. So ilalagay na natin dito ngayon. Lahat naka-mix lang ito, Then, idadagdag din natin itong Nestle sweet condensed milk. Baga naman. Yan. So, lahat ito ay imimix lang natin dito sa lutuan. Okay. Then, fell down. Then, meron akong 2 teaspoon of flour and 2 teaspoon of
Sugar.
No. 2 spoon of flour and 2 spoon of sugar. So, ilalagay natin para Then, i-mix lang natin siya. Then, later on, magiging malapot na siya. So, i-mix lang natin ang i-mix and then, pakuluan natin. And lastly, para maging cheesy ang inyong toppings, ay dadagdagan ulit natin ng Eden cheese. Eden cheese, baka naman. Eden cheese. Diba? So, yan. Dadagdag mo lang. And, i-mix lang sila lahat. I-mix lang talaga sila. Then, hanggang sa kumulo ito. Later, pwede na siyang i-set aside. Then, pag naluto na yung cassava, pag na-mix na ito at na-melt na lahat, pwede siyang i-set aside. And then, pag naluto na yung cassava, pwede na natin i-toppings. And then, lutuin ulit natin yung top ng cassava para mag-caramelize. So, our toppings is ready. And we're just waiting for the cassava to be cooked. Yes. Later on, ilalagay natin to and makikita nyo magka-caramelize yan later. So, ngayon ay luto na ang ating, almost cooked na ang ating cassava. Yes, and ilalagay na natin ang ating toppings. So, dapat pantay-pantay lang ang toppings. So, after kong nilagyan ng toppings, ay binalik ko siya sa oven and sinet ko lang yung fire sa taas and then i-heat natin like for about 10 to 15 minutes para mag-caramelize ang top niya. Luto na ang ating cassava cake and it's time na tikman na natin. And ito na yung aking cassava cake. Yummy! So, let's taste it now.
Yeah!
Yeah, so I have here slice. Yeah. I'll taste it first.
Yay!
Medyo mainit pa siya, guys. Pero, walang kupas. Ano pa rin yung luto ko, gaya pa rin dati. Yummy. Want to taste it?
Yeah. Hot.
Yeah. What does it taste? How it tastes?
Good.
There's yummy. Approve?
Hot.
Yummy?
Hot.
So mga kabeshi, kung nagustuhan yung aking paggawa ng cassava cake, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell para update kayo sa aking mga bagong uploads. Thank you so much. Bye!